This video I'll teach how to build simple AI agent in 10 minutes. Any non-developer can easily build this, and any explorer who want to build this and test out like how it works, I can show you. So let's start. So this is a simple n8n workflow, n8n website. So you can go here, type n8n and you will go here. So just go in the workflow here and you can see the workflow. At first step, first we have to trigger a message. We can go trigger manually on app event, on a schedule, on a webhook call. There are a lot of things, but right now we have to go for on chat message. So I can show you how it works. So this is like a chat message received, and after this we have to add an AI agent, which is like a autonomous agent should be, which does everything, building this and that. So this is an AI agent. Here you can see. So this is like a chat node. It is connected to the chat node. Here you can see connected to the chat node. And yeah, so like we also have a brain, like the AI agent should also have a brain. So this is the chat module. In the chat module, if we go, let's say for there's like a different chat models, OpenAI, Grok. We are going for an open router. Why? Because in the open router we can have lot of AI models. So here you can see. Just go in the open router and search for open router, and you can get the API key easily. So yeah, so in the open router, here is the message. So if I write, let's say who is David Goggin. So here we can get, let's say, yeah, so you can see we have got it is a retired Navy SEAL officer. So this is how this is working, and we should have also a memory which can store everything. So Windows context is 5, simple memory. It's like a simple memory to understand this. So let's say we type why David Goggin is working very hard. It's like any simple question or a generic question. And if you go here, yeah, perfect. So here you can see we have got open router. David Goggins works very hard because he's driven this, and this is the David Goggins this. And let's go for so let's go for now sub API, which can store the module and run the chat module. So here we can connect the sub API to connect, and after doing this we'll connect this, and after doing that we can let's say message by news about David Goggin. So after messaging this, we'll give this response. So this will be the message. This will working start right now. Yeah. So this is the chat model, working model, and this is the response come. Yeah. So that is the response.